fluffy hair.
Whoa.
Today is me having to yell at kids. Oh, it is Thursday, September 26th, regular class, not the advanced. The advanced is doing something slightly different. So if you're advanced, go to the advanced one. Regular kiddos, it's going to be a really short video. You can look down the little corner thing there and you feel like I have no idea, but not very long, only a few minutes. I just want to give you guys explanations of what's going on because most of today is you guys working on your own as far as the book report project and thing goes. Ooh, let me steal this from Juggles. Thank you, Juggles. So what I have for you is a story called Cheerleading and then one called Zoo. There's a handout you can get from me, or it is on my website. You can just go to the story page and you can download it from there. Those are the two stories that are going to be on the quiz tomorrow. You're going to have a bunch of questions about Zoo. It's a fairly short, fun story about this alien zoo. You're going to have to read that one. And then a nonfiction article about cheerleaders. Read that one. Then you're going to have questions about the necklace. You already read that one. And so that's the main things that the whole thing's going to be about. Book report is going to be due in 6 days. I am sending out an email today to parents, letting them know that it is coming up due in 6 days, and they should begin torturing you in case you've not started it. So in theory, your parents should be asking you about this book report either today or tomorrow or at some point when they check their email, and thus maybe ruining part of your weekend for those of you who have not been doing anything. That's that. To help you out with the quiz, here's the homework that goes along with it. It is story homework number 3. And so once again, you'll find it on my short story handouts, story handout number 3. On this one, you do have 4 legit options on this one. And so I put option 3 back in there. You may now do well on the quiz. If you get the 21 or higher, you may now tape in your quiz, and that is fine with me. I left option 4 on there because I had a number of kids choose it. I did change option 4 slightly. My change to option 4 says to make sure you are using your complete sentences, at least one complete sentence for each element, because I had some kids who seemed to be confused on what the word explain meant, and so now I put it in there to try and make it a bit more obvious. Explain means you have to write a sentence explaining what things mean. So if you use option 4, make sure you follow directions. Option 3, if you're part of the tape club and got a 21 or higher. Option 2, the same letter thing we did before.
Good morning, folks. Our last bus has arrived. All students are safely nestled in the building. They should be to class within the next 4 minutes. At that time, please go ahead and take attendance. Again, let's give them about 4 minutes to get to class and take attendance at that time. Thank you very much.
You could have been skipping class, Cozy.
Yeah, but I was just already too late.
And so option 2, you do the letter phrase thing. Make sure you go through and do the whole, labeling of it. That's the one that seems to be costing most kids the point is to not labeling it. And then option 1, if you choose that one, go through, do the questions, answers, complete sentences, stuff like that. Then, for today, here's the stuff you're going to get a chance to work on. Reading the book report book. If you still need to read book, you're just going to read book. Simple as that. You're more than welcome to. If you're wanting to use the iPad to start finding your pictures, save them somewhere on iPad. Google picture, whatever you're looking for, spaceship, crazy monkey, whatever, and then save pictures. You have like a big thing in your like downloaded pictures thing of all of those pictures. If you need me to print pictures, I can. But again, it is 3 B points per file. So if you save all of them into a Word file and then send me that Word file that has 30 pictures in it and it's 10 pages, 3 points. That's all it costs. But if you send me 10 individual pictures and I have to print each picture a pot, then that becomes 10 times 3 and that's tears. So do not do that. Put them all into one and then send them all to me and then it's just, once again, make less work for me. Don't be selfish. Think of me. And so you're welcome to do that. You're welcome to work on reading the zoo and the cheerleading story for tomorrow to try and give yourself less homework tonight. If you have other homework that you're freaking out about and you're like, I didn't get my math done, I'm good, and you have it with you and you'd rather do that and you're going to have my homework done for tomorrow, that's fine with me too. I can agree on that one. Those are the main things. Work on book reports, work on stuff for tomorrow, get my homework done if need be, and then you're also willing to work on stuff. If you're homesick, then, don't have to worry about it. Get better. And then work on this stuff. And then you have a quiz tomorrow to try and help you out from there. Y'allsies who are here in front of me, questions. Yay. Just want to make sure. And those of you at home, get better, come back, stuff like that. I have no idea what finger guns was.